Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, you guys, snow shield. We're going to throw some on those boots right there, and we're going to see what they look like. We're going to get the snow shield on. Now it says to put it on heavy and apply heavy with a shine cloth or a dauber and in a circular motion and work it in the leather and so on and so forth. Okay, so it says it might darken that. Yeah, I'd already done the other boot and it does. I just wanted to see what it does, and we're gonna give her a shot. All right, let's do it. Now it is clear, so apparently it's a beeswax combination with something. I don't know. I don't know if it smells like beeswax, but I don't know. Might have something else in it. I don't know. Maybe more ingredients in it. But yeah, you just get it on here, and you can see how that. Sorry, my camera's on my neck here, so. And we get it on there nice and thick, and that's how it goes on like that. But I think we're gonna get all the seams and the leather, and these ones here have a camo on it, and I believe that's probably well, I don't know, nylon. I don't know if that's nylon or not, but I don't know what it is. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna get this done and go from there. All right, they're both done, and you can see how they made them a lot darker. And I wear gaiters, so I didn't go up, up in here. I just went around the bottom part of my boot and went to the back. So I did the backs too, and yeah, so we're gonna go see how that works, see if the shed's off the water, and go from there. Okay, you guys, I'm out here clearing snow, and I got this beeswax on my shoes. Now, that's amazing. Now you can see how it's beading off. They're not even wet. Like when I get home, we're gonna run some water over them and see if that stayed on or not. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm home now. Now you can see on here how the wax turned white, okay? Now that's a good sign, okay? Obviously it's gotten cold and it coagulated, right? So, but I'll tell you what, my feet are dry. Okay, now that is it with the Catulo spike on, and that didn't leak either. Now I want to show you. I'm gonna take a little water and we're gonna drain on there like this, and watch this. See how that beads right off? That's what it's supposed to do. So, just like that. Okay, now it doesn't soak in. Now, if you touch that, okay, so you got a little bead on there. Now, if you touch that, you see how it won't soak in? Look at that. It just stays there. That's what you want. That's called waterproof right there. Not water resistant. Okay? So there, look at that. Just fell off. Awesome stuff, man. I'll tell you what. That's only with one round of the beeswax, okay? So in a little bit, I think I'll leave it for this year. This year's almost over for snow season and everything. I think I'll leave it for now and redo them back in next fall and get them ready to go. But all in all, I love this stuff, man. Good stuff.